Hello everyone, welcome back to AI with Anamika Yadav. In the previous video, we learned about typecasting. Today we will learn how to take input from the user using the input function in Python. Okay, let's get started. So, sometimes we don't want to hard code value in our program. Instead, we want to use to input function for the user to enter the value. That's why the input functions come. Let's understand with the example. First, we will understand the syntax of input functions. Okay, this is the only syntax we need to remember in future. This is a it's a syntax for the input functions. You can give any message. You just pass any message which details you required from the user. As I already show you, I want detail here like this. Enter your name. You can pass anything which you want, like age, uh, price, product price, address, and anything like you which you want for the product for the from the user side. Okay, so here I write the program using print for input function. Okay, so I want name from the user side. So that's why I take that variable as name and assign to the value to the name variable and while using with using input function. Here, input function is take the information from the user side. I don't need to give the information. Okay, user will pass the information using print function to print the value from the input function. Let's see. Okay, so I just pass that information. So here you can see that value is updated. Okay, so is my question, I have a question for you. Just comment it out your answer before seeing the output. Is input function always return a string? Give the answer for this question in a comment box. Okay, so here I use a age because I need to check is input function always return the variable value in a string. That's why, because age is not a string. Okay, so I just use age using input function and print the age and also type the age. Okay, let me give that age 78 and see the type of the age is a string. Okay, so then how we can handle this problem, because we don't want age in a string, we want in an input. That's why we are using typecasting. Even if you enter a number, so print function like input function will store it as a string. Here I already show you like write the program for typecasting while using input function using int. Just remove the int for as of. Uh, so it's a string. Now I just pass in integer function to change the input type. That's why typecasting is important. We use it whenever we need numeric value or numeric input. Let's calculate mini calculator. Here I want two input from the user, num1, num2 in integer. Okay, I use also, I already use the int function, integer type. And after that, I'm adding both the variable and print the output of the result variable. Let's see. I give the value for first data type, for first variable number 23. Second variable for num2 is 76. So the output is 99 for this mini calculator. So today we learn how to take input from the user, why input function return a string, and how to convert it into number using typecasting. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to AI and Amika Yadav. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!